Great to see you. Hope you're doing well. Number of things going on in our weather we need to check out, so come on in. We'll look at it together. I'm your American weatherman, Carl Rippy. Looking at some of these disturbances that are trying to get a little bit more active in the open waters of the Caribbean, affecting us into Puerto Rico, looking to move through also over Jamaica. We've seen some heavier clouds move through, some showers here and there. For us here on One Happy Island, we haven't had a lot of that unsettled weather, afternoon shower into the evening. We have had some clouds on the horizon, and we do have some of these conditions that are going to be fairly pleasant. We go forward. Now, it'll look like we've had a storm or two trying to make its way into our area. Those clouds are going to get just a little heavier. Where we see these really dark areas, that's where we have some rain. A lot of that moisture in the atmosphere shows up as that darker green. And that tries to get to us, moves through fairly quickly. So those storms that are kind of in the outer band out over in between us and Venezuela, you'll notice that some of those get a little bit more active. They threaten, they make their way into the area. Sometimes they'll deliver a shower, and sometimes they just move right on. So we get into our early morning hours of our Thursday. I'm taking you out a few days just to give you an idea of what to expect. We may have a little bit more action in the early morning hours. Wave height's going to be fairly well under control. Mid-80s on the beach with a cloud or two on the horizon as the sun sets for a beautiful finish for our day. Morning lows may dip down a little bit cooler. It's going to be a nice start. We're only going to get up into the upper 80s. Little bit of relief there, a cloud or two is kind of filtering that sun so we don't get quite as hot. And then we go back down into those lower 80s overnight. So we may see some upper 80s, a 90 or two for our daytime highs. We try to cool off a little bit as we get toward the weekend by a degree, which makes a big difference. Into Sunday we go, noticing that those clouds kind of stay with us, and that chance of showers also stays with us here and there. Now that is a quick look at our weather on One Happy Island, available on Linky TV and Aruba Native News.